Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your air conditioning repair service business. While running an air conditioning service business, you get a lot of inquiry about availability, pricing detail and whatnot. Replying each person individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your AC repair service business. This chatbot will automatically respond to people inquiry about the services, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created this chatbot for AC repair service business using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its proper working. For that, I will open my WhatsApp web and type a key message over here. For example, hey. As soon as I have sent the key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me in Pabbly Repair and Services, and with that they have given me 3 action buttons as well, which I can choose according to my requirement. As I want to book an appointment, I will click on Book Appointment. After clicking on action button, I got response in which they want my personal detail to book an appointment. For that, number 1, they want my name. I will send demo user. After my name, they want an address. I will provide them with my address. After address, they want a preferred date in which I want to book my appointment. For example, I want to book my appointment on 12th May 2025. I will send them with that detail. After that, I got a response reply about preferred time slot. As I want to book my services between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., I will enter that. Something like this. As they got every required detail, they have booked my appointment, and with that they will remind me before visiting. So, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and without any manual work. That's the power of WhatsApp chatbot. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab, and there you need to search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be on the All Pabbly app page. Here you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which today we are working on Pabbly Chatflow. I will click on Access Now button. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can add and manage a WhatsApp number from one place without opening WhatsApp separately. And if you want to add your WhatsApp number, you can click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. And here you can see there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token. In Manual Token, you have to manually enter every detail like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp account ID. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to open Facebook Develop, and your WhatsApp will be connected automatically. Okay, not only that, we have more different features on the dashboard page. Let's see each feature one by one. Below the dashboard, we have inbox option. In the inbox option, you can manage all your conversation with customer, and for that you don't need to open your WhatsApp separately. After inbox, we have contact section. In the contact section, where you can create new contact and separate them according to your requirement. After contact section, we have team queue section, where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After team queue, we have template section, where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personal touch to your chat. After template, we have broadcast section, where you can send bulk message to your customer with the customized template. Below the broadcast section, we have flow. Flow is a powerful tool to create chatbot in Chatflow. After that, we have AI Assistant, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be present in the description box. As we got the overview about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to go to Flow option and click on the Flow button. And you will be redirected to the Flow Builder page. Here, to build a new flow, you need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. As soon as you clicked on this button, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you can see there is a window open named by Flow Start. Here in this window, there are 3 key features. Let's see each feature individually. In the Choose template, you will choose your created template to give a personalized touch to your chat. After that, there is a reject section. Reject section is a specialized pattern or sequence of character used to find, match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating the conversation. As we got to know all 3 features, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this flow for AC repair service business, I will name my flow accordingly as WhatsApp Chatbot for AC repair service. After giving a meaningful name to my flow, I will start by putting a reject, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. After that, I want as soon as my customer send me a message, they receive a response reply. For that, I will drag and drop this text button in the message section over here and connect with my flow start. It means that as soon as my customer send me a message, they will receive this respond reply. Something like this. With that, I also want to give few action button. For example, book appointment. And for the next action button, I will again click on the add button option and enter report an AC issue. And for the third action button, I will again click on the add button option and enter talk to a support. Now, after adding each action button, I want to give a separate message to my user for each button. For that, let's see our first button, which is book appointment. As I want to take bookings, I want to ask them few questions. For that, I will go to action section and drag ask question button over here and connect with my book appointment. That means as soon as someone click on book appointment button, they will get this message, which says, please provide the following detail to schedule your appointment. Number 1, name. As I want to know their name, I will select contact custom field as name. Now you must be thinking how to add this contact custom field to your chat flow. For that, you need to save your file. As you can see, I got a message flow updated successfully. That means my file is saved. And after that, go to the settings section. In the settings section, you can see there is a option of contact custom field. As soon as I click on this, I will be landed on this page. After here, you can create your contact custom field according to your requirement. As I have created multiple contact custom field, I will resume back to my flow. After creating contact custom field, you can select your desired contact custom field and select your format as text. As I got to know about their name, I want their contact detail as well. For that, again, I am going to go to action section and drag and drop this ask question button over here. And don't forget to connect your initial question with your next question, which says that provide your contact number. And after that, I will select my contact custom field as contact number and my format as number. After knowing their number, I want to know their address as well. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this option over here and connect with my previous question. Here, I will enter, please provide your address. Over here, I will select my contact custom field as address and select a format as any, because address could be in the text or number format. After knowing the address, I want to know about the time slot and date. For that, I will again drag and drop this ask question and connect with my previous question. And over here, I will enter a message as provide your preferred date. And over here, I'm going to select date as my contact custom field and any as my format. After date, I want to know the time slot. For similarly, I will again drag and drop this option, connect with my previous question and enter a message. Please provide your preferred time slot. And for that, I will again select the contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. As I got every single detail to book an appointment, I will send them a message of confirmation that their booking has been done. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button as I want to send a message. Over here, I will enter a message that their appointment has been booked and they will get a reminder call. But still after that, if they have any doubt, I will put an action button down there which says talk to a support. That means our support team will contact them as soon as they have any more query. And for this button as well, I will send a separate message. For that, I will drag and drop this option, click on the text button and enter a message that our support team will contact them and respond them within 2 minutes. So I have entered all the desired steps that would be needed to book an appointment. After that, let's give a separate message for report an AC issue. For that, I will drag and drop this option over here and select the text button. On this message box, I will enter a message. Please describe the issue brief. For example, I will add few action button. Number 1, AC not cooling, strange noise. Number 3, water leakage. As I want to give few more options, I will click on add connect and after that I will select the text button option over here and enter my text view more. And with that, I'm going to add few more action button. Remote not working. In my next action button, I will enter issue not listed. Now for this 5 action button, I will give a separate message for each action button. For that, I'm going to drag and drop this option, select the text button. For AC not cooling, I have given few solution over here. With that, I will add an action button which says talk to a support. After that, for strange noise, I will again give a separate message or solution. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button. Over here, I will write a message. For example, this, which will give solution about strange noise. And with that also, I'm going to add an action button which says that talk to a support. Not only this, I will provide separate solution for each button. For that, I will drag and drop this option. Now for water leakage, I will provide something like this. And with that, again, I'm going to add an action button which says talk to a support. Now for the 4th action button, which is remote not working, I'm going to drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter a message over here, which gives solution for the remote not working command. After that, I will add an action button, talk to a support. Now I will connect each talk to a support button with a message that we have put for talk to a support. Something like this. And even issue not listed button with the same message so that a customer team can inquire what issue is coming. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the required details that would be needed to run a chat flow for AC repair services. After that, don't forget to on this button and save your file. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.